faire, c'est tout simplement de attendre la diffusion de cette page. Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? C'est tout simplement fermer tout cela, fermer tous les fenêtres, tous les entrées. After that, we will go to yeah, most people are actually doing right now, but they're not showing. Really, really bad. So let's start a new chat over here. Let me get rid of this because I don't want to change. Fiber. Let me refresh first. Oh, okay, it's not convenient. Well, this is the other thing. And let's try units. Well, guys, as you can see over here, you have like 3 AI tools that you need to, you can actually start using it. And these AI tools, I'm like, it's 100% sure these AI tools, they are really, really powerful. You can start using them to make your own business. But the idea is not about it's not about how you're using it, it's about the idea that you have. I mean, let's take uh, let's take a simple option. I mean, any example. 1 second, please. Check this. Mm, mm. Well, basically, like most of the people, they don't know how to use these AI tools, and they start going and even like buying packages, like packs from websites like Bolt. All right, let's go to bolt.new. Let's over here, bolt.new. Okay, so this bolt.new it actually helps you to create or build your own landing page or websites or whatever it is. So if you go with hold on a second. Well, if you go to this, you will notice that uh, you will have only around tokens. You have tokens to use, and after that, okay, let's go to pricing, and you can see. So for the free one, you have around 300,000 token daily limit, but 300,000 tokens is nothing. Not it's nothing to be honest. Made some hard that it's something Tunisian much better because most people they so anyway. ال 300,000 الكاري اللي هو يسار كل prompt every prompt that you use will use 100,000 K. So it's got like 3 messages to send to this bolt.new, and especially that bolt.new is actually they are he's claiming that it's really good, but I can give you an alternative for this I mean website for this website. You can use it totally for free, and you can start making your own business or creating your own landing page or websites totally. So the trick here is to use 3 AI tools: Gemini, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek. All right. So for Gemini, well, why are you gonna be using Gemini? Because you will be using for design, you will be using for uh, generating images. You will use it for all the UX content for that website that you are trying to make. And ChatGPT will give you a roadmap. It will give you the strategy. It will give you the prompt. It will generate for you a really good prompt for DeepSeek. And once you got that prompt from ChatGPT, it will give it to DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek will give you a full code, just that you can use it to start your own website, and it's actually totally for free. All you need to do is to follow the structure of ChatGPT and copy the code of DeepSeek. If you have any like question, you can ask DeepSeek right away. It will fix that landing page for you. Well, let's say that I'm willing to make let's say that you already have your own website, right? And you want to deploy it. To deploy your website totally for free, you can use something called Netlify. Okay, here we go. This is the Netlify. This is a free domain. It will give you a free domain, totally free domain, but under the name of www.yourwebsitename.netlify.com. Okay, it will be totally deployed. You have no worries about that. So once you have the deployed website, you can start earning money. I mean, you can make your website a SEO optimized, which is will help you more to get more leads, more visitors, more viewers to your website. And this is actually a really good and great idea, instead of using the premium features of Bolt.new or Lovable. Literally, Lovable is not even a good website, and Lovable, I think. Yeah. So even like Lovable is not even like a good website. Like Lovable and like Bolt.new, they are the same. If you go to pricing for the Lovable, you have $25 for Pro, which is exactly the same for Bolt.new. $50 for the business, which is business. I think $30. That's all. And platform fee, you'll discuss this with them. That's exactly right. Most of these AI tools, they are doing the same shit. Well, to do this, what you need to do is to simply go to your ChatGPT. Let's think about an idea that we're going to use right now to create a great website. Let's say that I'm thinking about making a portfolio page. Okay, just write this prompt for, like, it's simple. Like, you don't need to write like a full personalized or professional prompt for ChatGPT, because ChatGPT, as we mentioned before, ChatGPT will be your like prompt maker. Okay, what you need to do is simply just type in your idea. Let's say that I'm willing to create a portfolio website for my job as I don't know, like content creator, or no, something much better, which is transcriber. Transcriber. Why transcriber? Okay, transcriber. And I want you to give me the full professional. Oh my god, this kid is not even fucking stopping crying. I hate them so fucking bad. Alright, anyway. So give me a full professional. I'm gonna fucking make it today. I want you to give me a full professional prompt. Prompt. Come on. Prompt for DeepSeek, where he will create the whole website from me, and make sure to tell him to write. Hey, this is a trick actually. This is one of the tricks that you may need to start using it. So make sure to tell him to write a JavaScript, okay? JavaScript code that will install all the project files and folders as well. All right, done. So done. Okay. Now just hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you a really professional prompt for DeepSeek. And this is actually started doing like this. You are a senior full stack developer and UI UX designer. Create a complete modern portfolio website for a professional transcription specialist. The website must look premium, minimal, clean, modern, responsive, highly professional, like a real, I don't know what the hell is this, like a real freelancer portfolio that can attract clients from Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and direct agencies. Okay. Now, since that prompt is already finished, let me just copy it and paste it to DeepSeek. Simple, easy, and simple. Well, after that, DeepSeek will give you the project structure. So DeepSeek is actually using Next.js, which is a language that most people are actually using nowadays for creating a website and landing page, which is really accurate, really fantastic. Create a complete professional portfolio website for transcription specialists with all requested features. Let me provide you with all the necessary files and automated setup script. So I don't know, like if you ever like if you are already like seeing this live, I hope so, but I don't know. So anyway, project structure, transcription portfolio, blah 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 blah, and we'll give you like complete source code file, package, JSON. That will give you every files, okay, all the files. And it didn't actually do what I asked for, but after it generates everything, make sure to type in this prompt. Tell him, I want you to, come on, to give me a an install.js file where it will install everything when I launch it. Launch. How am I supposed to? Oh my god. When I launch it. Okay, good. Once it finishes, just give him this prompt and it will generate that JS file for you. And all you need to do is just simply take that JS file and go to your desktop, create a new text document, just name it anything you will have. So the extension of that text document will be .txt. Just change it the extension and turn it to JS. Okay. After that, double click it to open it. Or go to open it with Notepad or Blocknote or whatever it is, and just paste the code inside it and save. And all you need to do is to simply go to CMD and type in node or node node space install, or in the file name install.js, and it will install all the files for you, and all the project will be installed locally on your website. And if you ever want to deploy it, you can use GitHub, well, which is much better way. So you need to use GitHub, so make sure to deploy your project to your GitHub library or repository. After that, go from Netlify, connect to your GitHub and deploy that project. Easy. That's really easy and simple, and it doesn't require anything from you. It doesn't cost you any dollars from these. You don't need these dollars. You don't need these websites. They are like literally fooling you guys. They are taking your money, and to be honest, this is a bullshit. Okay, so this is one of the best tricks to do. And if you like, you can like literally you can't even imagine how many business or how many ideas you can use with the same idea. Okay, the same structure, the same I mean the same trick. Okay, let's talk about, you want to build a game using Unity, using anything that it's actually related to coding. Just use these three AI tools. They don't ask you for money, they don't ask you for anything. You can just copy, prompt, paste it, and boom, have everything done for you.